Hi, my name is Madeline Sesser, and I'm going to be completing the microbiology lab number 3, which is gram staining. I am in closed-toe shoes, long pants. This is my makeshift lab coat. I have washed my hands and I have put on gloves. My hair is pulled back and I have no jewelry. This will be my makeshift Bunsen burner. I have an inoculating loop. I have my stains, my crystal violet, my iodine. I have my alcohol and my saffron. This is going to be my culture. And then I have 4 containers of water to rinse the stains. This is my slide. I had to use a paint marker, so I went ahead and wrote my initials and my circle. I wanted to make sure it had time to dry. So to start the gram stain, we're going to get our Bunsen burner and we're going to turn it on, and we are going to flame our inoculating loop until it is sterile. Next, we're going to pick up our culture, remove the lid, flame, dip, get some culture on it, flame again, and recap. Now we're going to take that culture and we're going to put it in the center of that circle. We're going to flame our loop, and then we're going to give this about a minute to dry, and then after it has dried, we're going to pick it up and we're going to heat the bacteria so it sticks on the slide, and as simple of 1, 2, 3 times, 1 second per each. Now we're going to turn our Bunsen burner off and put it away. The first stain that we're going to be using is our crystal violet. Alright, and we're going to do a single drop directly in the center. And we're going to put the crystal violet away, and then we're going to let this dry. And this crystal violet is going to attach to, with the help of the iodine, it's going to attach to the gram positive but not the gram negative, which is why there will be 2 separate colors. So after this crystal violet has had time to dry, we're going to dip it in water and give it a few good dips. Alright, and then we're going to dry the bottom of the slide off. And now we're ready for the iodine. So we're going to pick up our iodine, put a couple drops right in the center. Okay. And now we're going to repeat the process of stained water. So we have stained, and now we're going to dip, draw off the back. Okay, now the next step is going to be the alcohol, and the alcohol is going to be applied a little different. Instead of just dipping or dropping it directly onto the slide, we're actually going to get some of the alcohol and we're going to pour it over the slide and just let it slide directly over the, so, okay. And now we're going to dry the back of the slide. Okay, and the next step is the saffron. And this is going to be what dyes. The alcohol took all the color away from anything that was gram negative. And this is going to give the color back to the gram negative, and it's going to make it a reddish pink. Okay. And now we're again stain the water. So we're going to dip. Make sure we get all that color off. Everything but the organism. Alright, and now you're going to dry the back. And now you have completed your gram stain. Your positive should be purplish and your negatives should be pink. Thank you so much for joining me for this lab.